This is your daily dose of AI. Ever wondered how AI can create stunning images from scratch? Today, we're diving into the latest breakthrough in AI image generation. So let's jump on board and check out this groundbreaking research paper on Stable Diffusion 3. Here are the 5 key features of Stable Diffusion 3. 1. Improved noise sampling. The new model introduces enhanced noise sampling techniques, which significantly improve the training process. Example: this means we get better image quality with fewer artifacts and more consistent results across different styles and resolutions. 2. Transformer-based architecture. Stable Diffusion 3 employs a novel transformer-based architecture specifically designed for text-to-image generation. Details: separate weights for text and image tokens. Enables bidirectional flow of information between text and images, enhancing text comprehension and image generation quality. 3. High-resolution capabilities. This model can generate high-resolution images with remarkable attention to fine details and spatial reasoning. Example: whether it's typography, precise prompt following, or diverse artistic styles, Stable Diffusion 3 excels. 4. Predictable scaling trends. One of the standout features is its predictable scaling trends, meaning as you scale up the model size and training data, the performance improves consistently. Metrics: lower validation loss correlates with improved text-to-image synthesis, as shown in various benchmarks and human evaluations. 5. Public availability. Stability AI is committed to transparency and accessibility, making the model weights, code, and experimental data publicly available. Impact: this openness fosters further research and development in the AI community. Have you tried using diffusion models before? Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for sticking around for the whole time. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cool content. Have an awesome day.